The rolling knee dolly is the perfect tool for moving heavy items with ease and efficiency. This innovative dolly is designed to support up to 350 pounds, making it ideal for transporting furniture, appliances, boxes, and more. Constructed from durable materials, this knee dolly is designed for longevity and can endure the demands of heavy-duty use. Its robust construction guarantees stability and safety when transporting large and cumbersome items. The integrated padded knee rest offers comfort and support, enabling you to maneuver the dolly effortlessly without straining your back or knees. The compact and lightweight design of the rolling knee dolly facilitates easy storage and transportation when not in use. Whether you are moving into a new home, rearranging furniture, or tackling a DIY project, the rolling knee dolly is the ideal solution for all your heavy lifting needs. Check out all of our products listed in the Certified MTP catalog and on the Certified MTP website. Certified MTP, your industry leader in the field of material testing equipment. So visit Certified MTP.